Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Little Mama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how you can make money from home just by searching on Google, guys. Do you know how to search on Google? Yeah, this is going to be easy for you guys. Check it out. Alright guys, the first thing you need is Google, of course. So what is happening here? How can you earn money from Google by searching on there, okay? Well, it's because you can become a search engine evaluator, guys, okay? And how that works is that, let's say I'm going to put in a term, lasagna, okay? So when I first search out this, you'll see a bunch of things come up, right? So as a search engine evaluator, what are you going to be evaluating is what comes up, if it's going to be relevant for you, okay? So when you're saying how to make lasagna, well, obviously you're going to get a bunch of recipes right here. So that's good. That's relevant, right? And there are easy ways and classic ways. And so what if I wanted to, do something more specific? And so I want to say, let's say, how to make lasagna without meat, let's say, okay? And so are these searches relevant? Do you see it relevant? Is it meatless? Is it without meat? Is lasagna without meat? Yes, 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 yes. Cheese lasagna. So, okay, it says not the meat. Something. So I would need to actually click in here to see if there's meat or not. So I'm not sure about this one. And then here, no meat, meatless. Ooh, the best meatless. Okay, that's not good, right? So this is not good. This is not relevant at all. And it's on the first page, guys, okay? So you need to report this. You gotta say no to that video. And then vegetarian, vegetarian, vegetarian. Classic cheese lasagna. Again, I would need to click, so I don't know about this one. 3 cheese lasagna. This one's meatless. So I don't know. I would tell them about these two, that I'm not sure about these two if they're meatless. So I don't know how relevant these are. Like when it says meatless, obviously that's going to be relevant and I want to click on it. And if it says vegetarian, I want to click on it. So if it's just cheese, I'm not sure. So I would rate these as maybe, okay? So this is the type of work that you can be doing, guys, okay? Let's see another one, okay? How to make a golf swing. So basically this search, obviously I want to learn about how to do a golf swing, and it better show me ways of how to do this. So, okay, so it looks like the first 3 videos is telling me how to swing a golf swing, do a golf swing. So those are relevant. Are these relevant? How to build a perfect golf swing. Okay, I guess that's pretty good. How to construct an effective golf swing. Okay, that's a nice one. And then you're gonna look at the rest of these. Are these really, really relevant? I'm not sure about this. I don't know what this all means. Butch Harmon. So I would evaluate that. I'm not sure, okay? And then so I would give ratings to all these searches that's coming up. And it looks like the video ones are pretty good, but these are images. So that's what you're doing. You're just evaluating if the search engines are good or not. And there are companies that will hire you to do such searches, okay? And what are these companies? These companies are stuff like this one, Append. This one is found at append.com, guys, okay? So what this is, this company helps other companies research AI and make AI better for our AI development, basically. So we are trying to get more machines to learn our way of, let's say, using the search engine. And so they need to learn how our words are interpreted and how our videos or images are interpreted. So they hire people like you and me to make sure the machines are doing what they're supposed to be doing, okay? And that's what a pen does, it helps other companies and then hires people like you and me to do the actual searches. Okay, so this is one of the company that does stuff like this. And there is another company that does this too, and that is called Lionbridge here. These guys do it as well. You could be a search engine evaluator for them because they also do the training. The AI. AI is artificial intelligence, and they are training the artificial intelligence like machines to kind of know how to read our videos, know how to read our images, know how to read the words in a certain context, and kind of learn how to evaluate our words and what they actually mean to us. So being a search engine evaluator will let the companies know who do the search engines to let them know if the machine is giving us the most relevant search results or not, and they will fix it if they are not. And so that's why it is very important for them to hire searchers like you and me to make sure that the machines are learning the right things. Okay, guys? So if you guys are really into, like, if you guys like this kind of work, you can earn up to even $30 an hour doing this, but some of them only pay $12 an hour and some of them pay $30. It just depends on where you go, guys. Okay, you could look up how to become a search engine evaluator on Google, and you could get more information like that. And so, but you guys, if you're using this type of way to make money online, guys, it is really good that you save that money though, so that you can learn some better online skills, because doing stuff like this will be trading time for money still, and you're not really making any passive income. And you really want to learn how to make passive income so that you can have more time with your family or do things that you want to do, guys. Okay, and or get out of the 9-to-5 grind. Okay, if you want to do something like that, check out this link that I'm going to link up here in this video. If you don't see it across, just hover over that corner and you see a little icon that you can click on and find my link in there. And that program in there will teach you very good online skills for you to learn better ways to make money online, and much bigger money online too. And you can make a lot more passive online income instead of trading time for money, guys. Okay, so I hope you liked this video today, guys. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe already. Check out that free badge down there. All right, guys, and don't forget to click that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out, guys. I come up with videos every single week, but I don't know when they come out, so get notified. Okay, guys? Okay, I will see you on the next one. Bye.